In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete GoHighLevel account, best method. We're going to walk through the built-in cancellation path inside GoHighLevel so you can stop billing and remove access cleanly. Before you start, make sure you're signed in with the account that owns the subscription, and be aware that canceling your plan will remove access to features and any connected locations tied to that plan. Begin on your GoHighLevel home screen. In the top left, click the name of the dashboard or location you're currently viewing. That opens the view selector so you can get to the administrative tools you need for cancellation. Switch to agency view. This is important because subscription management lives at the agency level, not inside an individual location. If you don't see the agency option, double-check that you're logged in as an agency-level user with the correct permissions. Once you're in agency view, look to the left sidebar and click Settings. This is where all the account-level controls are grouped, including your plan details and payments. Inside Settings, choose Billing. The billing area summarizes your current plan, add-ons, payment method, and upcoming charges, and it's where the cancellation flow begins. On the billing page, find the link that says, "Want to modify/cancel your subscription?" and click it. That opens GoHighLevel's self-serve management panel, so you can review options without contacting support. In the panel that appears, click Show More. This expands the full set of controls and reveals the cancellation option if it isn't already visible. Take a moment here to note your current plan and next billing date so you know whether the change takes effect immediately or at the end of your current period. Now click Cancel Plan. GoHighLevel may ask you to pick a reason and confirm the choice. Follow the on-screen prompts to finalize. After you confirm, look for a success message indicating the plan is canceled. Depending on your terms, access may end right away or at the end of the current billing cycle. Any locations or features attached to the plan will be deactivated accordingly. That's the entire process. Open the View selector, switch to Agency View, head to Settings, go into Billing, choose the Modify or Cancel link, expand the details, and cancel the plan. When you're finished, you can close the panel, and you should see that your subscription status reflects the change. If you rely on any automations or client-facing assets, plan your timing so there's no interruption for your users as the cancellation takes effect. Thanks for watching. Follow these steps exactly, and you'll delete your GoHighLevel account the right way using the quickest and most reliable method available in